How to change name in the Encode application. If you have been using the Encode app and wondering on how to change your name on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Encode application, just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to change name, tap onto settings at the top, just right here. Select it, then scroll down, and here you can find the name option right here. Onto the profile, now select it. Now to change name, simply remove this name and add a new name just like this and tap onto done. And now you can see the name has been changed. Now change the name however you would like to change it according to your preference. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.